Do the problem.
Good job. And what does the R stand for?
Read the problem.
Alright, let's read it together. Ready? Malik had 2 peppers. Then he bought 3 peppers at the store, and his friend gave him 4 peppers from his garden. How many peppers does Malik have now? Alright, so we read the problem. What do we do next?
Underline the label and cross out irrelevant information.
Perfect. Alright, let's look at our question sentence to see what our best label is. It says, how many peppers does Malik have now? What are we talking about?
Peppers.
Good job. So what are we going to underline?
Peppers.
Good job. Let's go ahead and look back at our story. We know our label is?
Peppers.
Is everything in the story talking about peppers?
Yeah.
Yes. Do we have any relevant information we need to cross out?
No.
No, we're done. So what's step number 3?
Name the problem type.
Alright, let's name the problem type. Let's use our handy dandy questions poster to help us out with that. Alright, if it's a total problem, what do we ask ourselves?
Are there parts put together to a total?
Good job. If it's a difference problem, what do we ask ourselves?
Is it 2 amounts compared for a difference?
Good job. Remember, in difference problems, we have a what?
Compare word and percentage.
Killer. Alright, and if it's a change problem, what do we ask ourselves?
Is there a start amount that increases or decreases to an amount?
Perfect. What type of problem is this? What is this problem doing?
Eight.
So, Malik.
Increasing.
Good job. Malik had 2 peppers. Okay, we know he has 2 peppers. Then what happened?
Then he bought 3 more.
He bought 3 peppers. Good job. So this is, what type of problem is this?
Is it an increase?
So, but what type of problem is it? A total, difference, or change?
Change.
Alright, so first let's put our C. Good job. And now let's see what's going. So you said Malik had 2 peppers, then he bought 3 peppers. You said it was what?
Increase.
Increasing. So what sign are we going to put?
What?
Are we done there?
No.
No. And then his friend what?
Gave him 4 more peppers.
So what's happening there again?
It's increasing
It's
again.
increasing. Good job. So in this change problem, how many changes do we have?
2.
Good. And both of them are increasing. Excellent job. Alright, so we used our run poster to help organize our story. Let's go ahead and use the change poster to solve it. Alright, what's step 1?
S, T,
Remember, we have 2 changes here, so I want to see.
plus T.
Perfect. Excellent job. You just earned yourself a treasure coin because you remembered how to write your change equation when we have 2 changes. Oh, good. Alright, so you wrote your equation. Next we gotta what? Do what?
Find our start amount.
Let's find our start amount. How many peppers did Malik start with?
2.
Good job. So it's good job. What do we do to the 2 in our story?
We did 4.
Not circle it. What do we do? If we already used it, we remember we always put a check mark.
Oh yeah.
Good job. So the reason why I put a check mark is, hey, we already used this number. We don't look at it anymore. All right. So let's go ahead and find our C. What's our first change? So you had 2 peppers. Good job. You got 3 peppers. Excellent job on remembering to check mark the number. All right. We have another change. What was our second change?
4.
Good job. All right. What's step 4?
Find E.
Oh, good job. Find E. What's your end amount? Do we know how many peppers Malik has now?
No.
Isn't that what we're trying to find? Good. So what are we going to mark under? Good job. All right. Now we need to write our missing signs. What signs are missing?
The plus, and the sign.
Good job. All right. Now all we got to do is we got to find X. Remember when we solve for X, we need to isolate the X. What does isolate the X mean?
Isolate the X means when we want a number by itself.
Good job. We want X by itself. Let's look at X. Do we need to isolate X here?
No.
No, why not?
It's already isolated.
It's already isolated, so all we got to do is solve. Are we going to add or subtract?
Add.
Good job. So we let's break this down into steps if we need help. So first we can add 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3 is 5.
All right. Plus.
4 is 9.
Good job. So what's our answer?
9.
What do we remember? Our answer should always have a
Number and a label.
good job. So X.
X is the same as 9
9 what?
peppers.
Good job. Excellent job. I see a number and a label. Good job. All right. All we got to do is check our answer. Does our answer make sense? Yeah. So we have a starting amount that keeps increasing. Is our end amount going to be bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Good
Because
job.
if we have a smaller start amount, then our end amount has to be bigger.
Good job. He keeps getting more and more peppers, so it makes sense that our end amount 9 should be bigger than our start amount too. Right? Good job, Esther. You're gonna earn a treasure coin because you did awesome at solving problem A. All right. Let's look at problem B. All right. What's the